one thing I want you to do at this time, if you haven't already, locate your science notebook and have that in front of you. You're going to add 2 pages to your table of contents today. One will be page 9. You're going to have your table of contents should look like mine at this point. And if yours doesn't and you're confused, feel free to text me and I can text you a picture of this so it looks a little bigger and easier. Page 9 will be the definition of the mantle. Go ahead and flip to page 9 in your notebook and create that page by having the definition. First of all, by having the word. Then write down the definition that you see in front of you. And also make sure to draw a picture to help you remember. For that part, the definition is a layer of soft solid rock underneath Earth's plates. I've also included this arrow pointing to what that kind of looks like if you were to look at a cross section of the Earth, which you guys have been looking at in that sim. Okay? Make sure that you've also included your examples and your non-examples. And then I'll let you pause the video here so that you can do that. The other page you're adding is your key concepts for chapter 2. That should go on page 10 in your science notebook. So your key concepts for chapter 2, go ahead and create a page number down here, number 10. And then your key concepts for chapter 2 labeled up here. The first one is about to be on the screen right in front of you. So add in that first key concept, that Earth's plates move on top of a soft, solid layer of rock called the mantle, which is the definition you just had. So go ahead and pause this video so that you can do that and get your science notebook up to date. Then go ahead and complete the rest of the lesson.